This video is about our fountain project in our manufacturer in China bought Oriental-Innovation digital water curtain in Russia. This video is a test video done in the factory. The digital water curtain project is debugged every time we complete production to ensure there are no issues. This water curtain is bomb meters wide and 5 meters high, and we have met the customer's demand to display the company logo. According to the plan, the digital water curtain will be shipped to Russia next week. We will also take the time to prepare installation instructions to ensure that the customer can install and use it smoothly.